On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we are here in the warehouse with Kyle again.
What's up, guys?
And a cheap truck.
Oh, yeah.
So let's clean this thing. What is going on, guys? I am Watch JR Go, and today, like I said, I'm here with Kyle in the $3,500 Silverado. Yesterday we did the interior. It's looking pretty good. Something that could be driven, possibly sold now.
Oh, yeah.
But today, the exterior gets done. So, it's dark. It's actually been a day already, and we are just getting started with the cleaning that's going on in the warehouse tonight. I am next door doing the floors. Kyle is doing some washing. So we'll let him shoot some time lapse of the wash, and I'm gonna hop back on the floor cleaner. And he brought his pressure washer. We have matching with Honda twins.
For the win. Only thing Honda I own.
Yes. Anyway, this thing will be, initially clean here in a few minutes, and then we'll show you guys some of the process as this thing gets really cleaned up. So, The mats are really dirty too.
We've got a trick for that. Adams for the win.
Adams for the win. Tire cleaner, is that what you're using?
Yeah.
On the mats?
Dude,
nice.
always.
Nice.
Always.
I like it. Cool.
And I forgot one thing yesterday, so we got to fix it today.
What's that?
We didn't put lines in the carpet. It's not a detail without lines
That's
in the
for
carpet.
sure. Yep. So lines in the carpet for the win. I obviously always do that. I usually just go back with a brush and just go back and forth. You don't need the vacuum for that.
Nope.
Vacuum the carpet really well and then use your line brush to do work.
Line brush right here for the win.
Boom.
Easy
nice
peasy.
and short. Cool. All right. Well, we will show you guys the finished product and all the steps as we move through this detail. For now, it's time for what? What's the solution? You got the foam cannon?
Got the foam cannon set up with the little honeydew in there, chemical guys.
Yep.
Snow foam, baby, right there.
Snow foam.
Got my 2-bucket method, thanks to Adams. You know, we're just all of the brands.
Yep.
All of the YouTube brands, we're getting it. So we're gonna make this thing look really good initially. This might be the first hand wash in years.
Oh, dude, this thing hasn't been hand washed in so long. The paint felt terrible.
Oh yeah, I mean,
what's funny is that this was actually still clean until we blew the shop out a minute ago.
Yeah.
It just covered everything with dirt. But hey, the dirt is getting out of the building at the same time.
You know, add mud to your mud truck.
That's right.
Three o'clock in the morning?
It is not 3 a.m. yet. Right now it's only 11, so we're great.
I'll take it.
That clock is permanent.
We need to change that to 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock in the morning?
No, well, 5 o'clock somewhere.
Oh, okay, I gotcha.
Country truck, right?
Yep, this is a country truck, and I've seen your boat there. But this is looking way better after the wash. We got it decontaminated, basically, and I mean, obviously we can't get the PDR out with the detail, but everything else is coming out. So hood is looking very dull, so hopefully it does look like that's going to come out. That was my wiped off a little bit of the oxidization.
Clearly.
Oxidation there.
See, you say it too.
Oh, oxidization
it's a word.
is a way cooler word.
It's a word.
Yeah, but people get mad in the comments. But it's just so, like, oxidation is pretty boring, and oxidization sounds way cooler.
Oh, yeah.
The Z.
All of the syllables.
Anytime you put a Z in a word, it's better. Anyway, the Silverado, it's coming out. I'm still grinding away over on the other side. There's a lot of cleaning going on today. A lot of cleaning.
We're getting there. Cleaning all of the things.
The insane night of cleaning continues. One time. Okay. Anyway, this is absolutely epic. Check that out. A little polishing over there. A a little half and half on the hood. Obviously, it was 1,000 times worse than this when it came in because it had never been hand washed. But this is some clay and DA. That's it.
Clay and a DA. Yep.
I love
Little
it.
chemical guys. What do they call that? VSS.
VSS.
Yeah.
I like it. And then this side, you can see just how rough the truck actually is. I mean, it's yeah, real bad. And right here, it is not real bad. Obviously, there's some really deep stuff that you do not want to go that deep because that's like the edge of the clear.
I mean, you can go that deep, but
right
for what this is and what you're doing with it, there's absolutely no point to go that far.
I love it, dude. This looks awesome.
You know, I think you can probably see the camera on this half.
You probably.
Maybe. And not so much over here.
Not so much over here. There is the update. Kyle's been grinding away, and I'm heading back to my side to keep cleaning the floors. So much more to do.
All of the cleaning at 1 o'clock in the morning.
All of the cleaning at once. Or 3 in the morning. Yeah. It's still 3 in the morning.
Depends on which clock you're looking at.
Kyle has been knocking it out of the park. Take a look at this thing.
Been going ham.
Incredible. What a different truck.
It looks like it's worth that $10,000 mark now.
Yes, it does. Man.
So we chatted a little bit earlier about your personal preference on the tires.
Yeah, I said.
What do you think?
Well, yeah, you know, shine, but matte shine, you know.
Perfect.
Yeah, exactly. Not wet. I like it a lot. Anyway, I think that's as good as this truck will get. You even polished the glass?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, if you look at the top, it didn't get up in the jam yet because I didn't drop the window. So you can still see
a little bit
right there. But
yeah, it looks good. Man.
Not too bad.
All right, well, this is looking amazing. Now it is time to ceramic coat this beast. We're gonna hit it with Avalonking as always. So we've got some Armor Shield 9. We're gonna open up a new box of it just for this truck and ceramic coat away. So it's looking really, really good, but I think it can look even better. That extra touch to just kind of finish it off. Also, huge Avalonking sale for the 4th of July, so make sure you guys check that out. Anytime you're on their website, use promo code WatchChairGo. I know it saves you at least $25 off a bottle, which is pretty cool of them. We can see everything in the reflection.
Oh, yeah.
It's impressive.
My video, I was like, look, I look like a fat Oompa Loompa.
That's hilarious. Oh, we'll make these door handles black again with the Avalonking.
I might have hit it with the brush, but it sure doesn't look like it.
There's only so much you can do with that carpet.
That's right.
You don't need that. What are you doing with that?
What are instructions?
Instructions? No.
We don't need those where we're going.
Here's the instructions. Grab one of these. It comes with a bunch of them, as always. There's like 4 of them in there or something like that. And wrap it around the applicator block. Applicator block. It's got the nice side, right? So it can conform, which is pretty cool. Wrap it like that. Open up the bottle. The chrome bottle. And then put a bunch of drops on here in a grid. That's I like the grid of drops. That's always my go-to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you're supposed to run slightly less than this, but that works for me. Kyle has never ceramic coated with Avalonking before, so I'm gonna do one little stripe here.
That makes it sound like I'm a novice.
Well,
I most definitely have ceramic coated before, just not with this product.
Yeah, with many other products. All right, so anyway, we laid down a little section here, and basically you just go like that, and then, you know, do your crisscross pattern for the entire, every panel in the car. And then panel by panel, wipe it off.
So it's just like every other ceramic coating.
Just like every other ceramic coating.
I love it.
I like to do it panel by panel. Some people will go farther, but you should probably do each panel. All right.
So, first take,
yeah,
doesn't smell.
No, it doesn't smell like others.
Nearly as potent.
Yeah.
And I like that. I can appreciate that.
Yeah, you can stand in the same room as this.
Yeah. It's like a nail salon.
Exactly.
Honestly.
Is that a bug? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you just hear that cat? There's a fight going on outside.
Ooh, they're getting it.
Listen. well, it ended. Sounded like a wolf howling and then a cat gone wild. And just like that, the truck is ceramic coated and Kyle is finishing the glass. It's actually really hard to get this glass with how wet it is in here.
Yeah.
It's soaking wet outside. But the truck is looking absolutely stunning with the Avalonking. You can see this was just a quick single stage polish, but I mean, it's so much better. The whole truck was deeply scratched all the way around. It basically looked like they went off-roading and just drove through like a forest at full speed.
They definitely had dogs.
They whistling dieseled a forest with this thing.
Decent.
I love it. Well, it looks so much better now. Can't wait to drive it. I think we add another 1,000 in value, don't you think?
I would say pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
I think this gets us really just about to the end for this truck's turnaround. There's not too much left to do in reality. We'll see about getting the PDR guys on this. It was supposed to get done like a day or two ago, but it fell through. You know, that's typical timing things. I'm just excited about where it's at right now. Oh, that chrome is just glistening in the front. We ceramic coated the chrome headlights, of course. All the glass is done. It's all been hit with the Avalonking. I'll throw a link in the description below and a link to Kyle's channel. Huge shout out to him for rocking it on this thing. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjargo.com where you can get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I'll talk to you next time.
Oh, yeah.
Project Clean Day was a massive success.
Project Clean 24 hours.
Yeah, that's it did take 24 hours. I will say now that it's like black again and clean, it's way harder to see the dents.
Oh, yeah.
Way harder.
Unless you're me and you polished it for like
You
4 hours.
polished the dents.
I found every single dent on this
yeah,
truck,
yeah.
so I just won't tell you about it.
Yeah, there's like we got a low spot there that I wouldn't touch, nobody would touch.
Oh, yeah.
A high spot there that's actually really weird.
Yeah.
But
That
also,
high spot kind of makes sense though.
why?
When we were doing the interior, there was all that glass inside,
Oh.
and that's not the factory window.
Yeah, you think they broke
So,
the glass and it went down in there or something?
I think something happened.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I'm wondering if, glass fell down, projectile, I don't know.
Who knows? But yeah,
You get that on these big
that
jobs.
piece of glass. You get that on these big jobs. Yeah, that piece of glass is aftermarket for sure.
Oh, yeah,
If you
not
can see the.
tinted.
Yep, not tinted. Crazy. What a difference.
I can officially say it's a beautiful truck.
Oh, it is. It is.